Welcome back, guys. This is Leyland bringing you another update of Orchid and XLM, Stellar Lumens. Before we get started, guys, hit that like button, subscribe if you are new, and hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on Orchid and XLM updates. We got a good one for you today, guys. Orchid looking massively good, having this double bottom over here, and I still believe this to be a sleeper, guys. If you look at all the other charts on all these other altcoins, all these other altcoins are already either breaking all-time highs, they've passed all-time highs, or they're about to pass all-time highs. This altcoin is still behind. We are still waiting for Orchid to do its thing, and I believe we will see that, because if you look back here, this 38-cent line has been acting as a resistance, and you know this from the previous videos. And just recently, we flipped it into support. We came up, we touched the 50-cent line, which was psychological resistance, and the 382 Fibonacci sequence. On our Fibonacci, we came down, we tested 38 cents as support. This is bullish. This is huge, guys. This is a massive move for Orchid right now. It took us since September to flip that into support, and we finally just did it. If you're looking for an altcoin that you can get in early on, Orchid is going to be your choice, not financial advice. Now, we were in this channel over here. This is a 4-hour on Orchid, and what was happening is we were in this parallel channel. We came down, hit support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and I was telling you guys in the other video we needed to break out of it. We finally have broken out of it, and look at this beautiful touch that we are getting on this 4-hour candle right now. We still have 2.5 hours to decide, but as it's looking right now, looking really bullish. We got that touch. We're getting those buy orders. The sellers and the buyers are looking at this on their TAs, and they're saying, okay, we broke out of this resistance, and now we are testing it for support. It is time to move up. On the indicators over here, you can see we do have some hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. That's really big. We just had a cross. That's massive, and we're starting to print green on our histogram over here. That's really good. Not overbought. Not even overbought right now, guys. We're only sitting over here on the 64 on the RSI. We can run that hot. We can go a lot higher, much higher than where we are right now. Look out where we are. See how this last high came over here and we were hitting almost that 50-cent area? We're almost there. We're starting to round out. We just broke this resistance over here. We're bouncing off it, and I am expecting a move to the upside. Now, a couple of areas that you want to look out for if we break down below. I don't foresee this happening, but it is possible. I would like to see Orchid come down, touch that 38 one more time before having resumption off. This would validate that this is a support now, since we had just flipped it and it was resistance all throughout back here, guys. That is possible. That would not scare me at all. That would be a buying opportunity, not financial advice. That would be a buying opportunity for me. If we fall below that 38 line, I'm not going to feel so good about Orchid anymore. I would hope that we hit this support down here at 33 cents and have a resumption off, and we need a lot of conviction. We need to break back through that 38. I won't feel so good about Orchid if we fall below 38. But do be looking for these areas of support, guys. 38 and 33. Anything below 33, you want nothing to do with Orchid. That's very bad, and we'll probably be seeing some more downside. I don't foresee that happening. If you're still here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's make our way over to the Stellar Lumens. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the swing high and the swing low that we had on this Fibonacci retracement. We got above the 618 and the 786. We even came back and retested. We tested that 786 as support, and we are taking off. We are above the golden E ratio right now. This is a weekly chart, guys. Last week, Sunday, so this past Sunday, we closed our highest candle in Stellar, and now we are making more moves to the upside. Looking at our indicators over here, we do have bullish divergence on the MACD along with the RSI. That's looking really good. Not a whole lot to say about Stellar right now, guys, but this is probably the biggest information that you need to know about Stellar right now. I'm bullish on this coin, guys. I do expect that we're probably going to be hitting 80 cents, a dollar very soon with XLM, probably within the next few weeks. I can say that confidently. But what this is going to matter right here, this is a really big support resistance area. You can see how we were holding up this trend line over here. And this is going back to the 27th of January, okay? This is a 4-hour chart. Holding this trend line, that's really good. We want to continue to hold this trend line. If we don't, and we break down, you want to see 36 cents as a support. And why do I say 36 cents as a big support? You can see that is our golden E ratio right here. That is a critical support line. If we don't hold 36 as support, we'll be coming down really quickly to the 28 cent area. And if we do a measured move from where we are right now down to that 20 cent 8 area, that is a bloodbath. That is almost 30% correction. That might happen. It could happen. Look out for it. It is possible that we could be coming down and testing this 28 cent area. That would be an area for a buy. But really, we don't want to see that. We want to see Stellar Lumens continuing to the upside. We're getting really tight within this top resistance, and you can see how it was resistance back here, resistance right here, and these are the highest resistances that we've had recently. We need to break above this resistance, come back down and test it before having a resumption off. Be looking for these level, guys. If we break 36 cents, we will be coming down and testing 28 cents. That's a big drop. That's a really big drop. But do I think it's over then? No. I do not think it will be over then. I am still okay with it coming down to 28 cents before having a resumption off. I just want to show you guys the data of what's going on with Stellar right now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I just wanted to bring you guys this very short TA of the Stellar Lumens and Orchid. Thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate your time. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.